now we have the cabinet empty and we pop the door off. Let's get some quick measurements. 22 7/8, 22 1/2, and 22 5/8. Now let's go do a sketch. Twenty-two and a half. Take a couple screws and go right down through it. Pretty good, but in the back it's not attached to anything. So what I'm going to do is take this little scrap of wood, start 2 screws in it, just like that. Take my level here, there it is. Then I'm going to take this guy and screw it to the back. What we're going to do is now measure a new height from this bottom of the groove to this top of the groove. And we've got 21 and looks like 5/8. Now we have all our pieces cut, we should just be able to slide them right into place. Clear dividers, and you could even take one out if you needed to put something extra wide. Now for the best part, let's organize it. And now for the final reveal. Nice and organized, easy to grab, and easily rearrangeable if you ever got wider baking pans.